Alright, I'm finally off the train. I'm in Hoboken, New Jersey right now. Here's one World Trade Center. This tower is just really starting to look good in all angles. You can see that ventilation glass being installed up there for the HVAC, heating, cooling, air filtration, all that stuff is going up there. Tower 4 is still seen in the background. And yes, here is 1 and 4 World Trade Center. So let's continue on and see what else we can see from Jersey City. Okay, I'm moving closer into Newport. Again, here's 1 World Trade Center and 4 World Trade Center. The special glass for the HVAC looks like it is going to be installed on this end first, of course, then it's going to wrap all the way around. As far as Tower 4 goes, I think there's a new type of glass for the bulkhead, because it seems like it may have stopped. Again, I can't confirm that, but that's what it seems like, that's what it looks like they're doing. There was also this apartment here that was being built last time. It's not complete because I can see inside walls are missing. At least the outside is really nice. Trying to keep my back towards the wind so it doesn't cause too much of a problem for you. But yeah, it's a windy day, and plus water creates a lot of wind too. So again, I'm doing the best I can here. But the best part is at least it's a clear day out. Alright, I'm a little closer to 1 World Trade Center. I've crossed over into Newport. And later on I'll be in Jersey City. It'll be really nice to see the effect of the HVAC special glass when completed. It'll also be nice to see towers 2 and 3 with it, because there's a huge gap in the site. So far, Tower 3 looks like it's the closest to getting a tenant right now. But Tower 2 is still at a really slow crawl right now. I just noticed the moon is out. Seems like it just gets sharper and sharper every day. Yep, here is 1 and 4 World Trade Center again. Alright, here's more of a straight-on look at 1 World Trade Center. 1 and 4 World Trade Center. Okay, I'm now in the Jersey City area. Here's a different angle view of 1 and 4 and 7 World Trade Center. Of course, we all know 7's been there for a long time. There are the HVAC vents for the set of mechanical floors, and right above those, I believe, are the observation deck floors. It's 4 World Trade Center. Looks like they're doing some kind of work on the bulkhead. Even when these towers are complete externally, there will still be a lot to do internally. So we still have to wait for that, though. We're still a long way away from external completion. You can see Tower 4 straight on right here. It looks like they are appearing to be adding some kind of steel to the bulkhead. Not too sure about that, but they're adding something up there. There's the moon again. Okay, I'm further down in Jersey City. There's the base down there. And Tower 4.